All right, number 3, we have QX is equal to negative. So with that negative out front, it means your parabola is going to open up down this time, so it's going to be going that way. Negative, we have x plus 3, and the quantity is squared minus 4. So we're going to find the vertex first. Vertex is going to be opposite of the inside, so instead of positive 3, it's going to be a negative 3, and then the outside you use the exact value, negative 4. So that's going to be our vertex, negative 3, negative 4. And then how many x-intercepts? So negative 3, negative 4. Let me just kind of draw this out. So if I was doing a graph, I would go left 3, 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this guy is opening down. Okay, because of its direction, that means it's not going to cross the x-intercept. So instead of me going and trying to solve, I can get a visual of it, and then if I knew I would get x-intercepts, then I would solve it. But since I know it's opening down and I know where my vertex is, I will have no x-intercepts. All right, so now we want to find 2 points on the graph other than the vertex and x-intercept. So I just cannot use negative 3. So what I will do to simplify, I'm going to use x equals, I'm going to do negative 2, that's one spot to the left, and then I'm going to use negative 4, that's one spot to the right. So I'm using this x value and this x value to be really simple. So all I have to do is find one, and the other is given for free. So I'm going to do q of negative 2, use a smaller number, equals negative parentheses a negative 2 plus 3 quantity squared minus 4. Okay, so simplify this. This gives us a positive 1. Positive 1 squared is still a positive 1. But because of the negative there, it's going to make it back negative. So it's going to be a negative 1 minus 4. And that will give us a negative 5. So at the end of the day, we get the order pair negative 2, 5. And then my other one that I get for free will be negative 4, negative 5. I say 5, negative 5. Should be negative 2, negative 5, and negative 4, negative 5. Negative 2, negative 2, negative 5, and negative 4, negative 5. Okay, so now we're going to graph it. I'm going to go left 3, down 4. That's not quite right. Real sensitive moving that. And then down 1, left 1. Looks about right. And then we'll go ahead and do number 4 here as well. So this time we use R. X is negative x plus 4 quantity squared minus 6. Vertex is going to be a negative 4, negative 6. I always remember the opposite sign here. So negative 4, negative 6. And then how many x-intercepts? Okay, so this guy is also opening downward. Okay. So if I go left 4, down 6, I'm here, and then it's opening down. So I will not get any x-intercepts. It's not going to cross this x-axis. All right, so we're going to pick 2 points. So what I'm going to do is negative 3 and negative 5. Only have to solve one, and the other I get for free because I'm picking those specific points right next to the vertex. So, and again, I'm just using this value to go 1 to the left, 1 to the right. So r of negative 3 equals negative 3 plus 4 squared minus 6. We get a 1 here. We square it, we get 1, but add that negative. So negative 1 minus 6 gives us a negative 7. So ordered pair we get is negative 3, negative 7. And the other one we get would be a negative 5, negative 7. And then we will graph it lastly. So I'm going to drag this vertex to negative 4, negative 6. Negative 4, negative 6, and then we're going to just drop down there. That'd be negative 5 and 7. And the other one plots for us.